Imagine waking up 10 years from now and realizing that the money you didn't touch today has quietly grown into something that could change your life. Picture yourself walking into your first dream home or finally booking that world trip you've been dreaming of, all without scrambling or taking high-risk gambles. Or think about being able to quit that job you don't love because your investments are working for you every single day. If that excites you even a little, then what I'm about to share will be one of the most important lessons you ever hear. We're going to talk about compound interest, the real practical steps to make it work for you. First, let's break down what compound interest really is. You've probably heard the term tossed around, maybe in passing or in financial blogs, but too often it gets oversimplified. Compound interest is essentially earning interest on your interest. Let's say you invest a modest amount of money today, and over time, not only does that initial amount grow, but the interest you earn also begins to generate its own interest. This is the magic that turns small, consistent investments into substantial wealth over time. The best part? You don't need a seven-figure salary to start. You just need to start. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. I don't have much money right now. I'm paying off student loans, rent is high, and the economy feels unpredictable. And I get it. These are real challenges. But the truth is, waiting until you have more money to invest is the biggest mistake you can make. Compound interest doesn't reward perfection, it rewards time. The earlier you start, even with small amounts, the more powerful your future returns become. To put it into perspective, investing $200 a month at an average annual return of 7% can grow to over $50,000 in 10 years. Keep it going for 30 years and suddenly you're looking at nearly $500,000. That's the exponential power of compounding. Here's the first step to making this work for you. Start with a plan. It doesn't have to be complicated, but you need clarity on your goals. Are you investing to buy a house, retire early, or just build a financial cushion? Once you have a goal, figure out how much you can realistically set aside every month. Even if it's $50 to $100 to start, consistency is what counts. This isn't about timing the market perfectly. It's about showing up and letting time do its work. Next, choose the right investment vehicles. This is where many young investors feel overwhelmed. Stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, there's a sea of options and market volatility can feel intimidating. But here's the secret. You don't need to pick the perfect stock or time the market. Focus on diversified low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the broader market. Historically, the S&P 500 has returned an average of about 10% annually over the long term, and that's more than enough to harness the power of compounding. For Canadian investors, consider broad market ETFs like the TSX Composite or global ETFs for diversification. The key is to stay invested consistently even during market dips because pulling out during downturns disrupts the compounding effect. Another crucial step is automating your investments. Life gets busy. Bills, rent, student loans, social activities. If you rely on willpower alone, chances are you'll skip months or delay contributions. Automating ensures your money is invested without thinking about it. Many apps and brokerage platforms allow you to set up automatic contributions from your bank account directly into your investment portfolio. This simple habit can transform your financial trajectory without adding stress to your life. Now let's pause for a moment. Here's the second hook. Imagine checking your investment account a few years from now and seeing that it's grown even when you weren't paying attention. That's not magic. It's the result of disciplined, consistent investing and the power of compound interest. You're not just earning money, you're giving your money the ability to earn for you. And once you experience this growth, your mindset around money shifts. You start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles. You start planning instead of worrying. To really make compounding work, patience is non-negotiable. This is a long game. Short-term market fluctuations may tempt you to react, but the key is to focus on the long-term trend. Even small interruptions in your contributions can significantly affect your final outcome. Think of it like planting a tree. You water it consistently, give it sunlight, and over time it grows strong and fruitful. Your investments are no different. Another critical aspect to consider is reinvesting dividends. Many people underestimate the impact of dividends, especially if they withdraw them for spending. Reinvesting dividends accelerates growth because those payouts generate additional returns. Over decades, reinvesting can double or even triple your portfolio's value compared to simply leaving it in cash. It's one of the simplest strategies for harnessing the exponential effect of compounding. Now, I want to touch on mindset. Financial freedom isn't just about numbers, it's about belief. Believing that you can build wealth and trusting the system to work in your favor is as important as any financial strategy. Avoid comparing yourself to others on social media who flaunt wealth overnight. Real growth comes quietly, steadily, and consistently. Focus on your own progress, celebrate small milestones, and recognize that compounding rewards those who are patient and disciplined. As the economy shifts, it's also smart to revisit your investments periodically. Interest rates, inflation, and market trends impact returns, so adjusting your contributions or rebalancing your portfolio occasionally is wise. But avoid overreacting to every news headline. Most financial decisions should be slow and deliberate, not impulsive. Finally, here's the last hook. Imagine being in your 40s or 50s with a comfortable financial cushion that you built almost effortlessly, thanks to starting early, being consistent, and trusting compounding. You're not just richer in money, you're richer in choices, freedom, and peace of mind. That future is possible, and it starts with the decision you make today. So to recap, start now, even small amounts, automate your investments, focus on low-cost diversified options, reinvest dividends, be patient, and cultivate the right mindset. Compound interest is not a trick or a gimmick. It's a proven financial principle that has built generations of wealth. The only requirement is your commitment to start early and stay consistent. Remember, every dollar you invest today is a tiny seed. With time, patience, and the magic of compounding, those seeds will grow into a forest of financial freedom. The question is, will you plant your first seed today or wait another year? Your future self will thank you either way, but starting now gives you the advantage of time, and time is the most powerful force in wealth building. The foundation of compound interest is time. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over years. Start by identifying your financial goals. Whether it's buying a home, building a retirement fund, or creating a safety net, determine how much you can realistically contribute each month and commit to that amount. The key is to start now rather than waiting for perfect conditions, because every month you delay is potential growth lost. This part also emphasizes mindset. Understanding that consistency beats perfection and that small contributions today can snowball into substantial wealth over time. Part 2, choose the right investment vehicles and automate. Investing wisely is about minimizing risk while maximizing growth over the long term. Low-cost, diversified investments such as index funds, ETFs, or broad market mutual funds provide exposure to the market without the stress of trying to pick individual winners. For Canadian investors, options like TSX Composite ETFs or global funds work well, while US investors can leverage S&P 500 or total market ETFs. Automation is critical here. Setting up recurring monthly contributions ensures you stay consistent, removes the temptation to skip, and allows compounding to work quietly in the background. Reinvesting dividends is another powerful tactic, letting your money generate even more growth. Part 3, patience, discipline, and long-term mindset. The real power of compound interest comes from patience and staying invested through market fluctuations. Short-term volatility can be stressful, but reacting impulsively disrupts growth. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio, but avoid overreacting to news cycles. Cultivating the right mindset, focusing on long-term goals, celebrating small wins, and trusting the compounding process is just as important as the numbers themselves. Over time, this discipline and consistency allow your investments to grow exponentially, giving you financial freedom and flexibility in life. Investing wisely means finding the balance between risk and potential growth. And the smartest way to do this is through low-cost, diversified investments that allow your money to grow steadily over time. Trying to pick individual stocks or time the market can be tempting, especially with all the hype and trends online, but this approach is risky and often unpredictable. Instead, focusing on broad market options like index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds gives you exposure to a wide range of companies, industries, and even countries, reducing the risk that a single poor performer will significantly impact your overall portfolio. For Canadian investors, funds that track the TSX Composite or global indices are practical choices, while in the US, S&P 500 or total market ETFs provide similar long-term benefits. Once you've chosen suitable investments, automation becomes a crucial step. Setting up recurring contributions from your bank account directly into your investment accounts ensures you consistently invest every month without having to think about it, which is essential for building wealth through compound interest. Automation removes the need to rely on discipline alone and reduces the temptation to skip months when life feels busy or expenses are high. Another often overlooked tactic is reinvesting dividends, which allows the payouts your investments generate to immediately go back into the market. These reinvested dividends themselves earn returns over time, accelerating the growth of your portfolio. By combining diversified investments, automation, and dividend reinvestment, you create a system that steadily builds wealth with minimal stress, letting compounding work quietly and effectively in the background. The true strength of compound interest is revealed when you combine consistent investing with patience and a long-term mindset. Markets naturally fluctuate, and it can be unsettling to see the value of your investments drop temporarily. Many investors make the mistake of reacting to short-term volatility, selling during downturns or trying to time the market, which can significantly reduce the compounding effect. Staying calm and committed through these ups and downs is essential because the most substantial gains come over years, not weeks or months. Part of this approach involves periodically reviewing your portfolio to ensure it aligns with your goals and risk tolerance, but this should be done thoughtfully rather than impulsively. Overreacting to news headlines, social media hype, or short-term trends can disrupt steady growth and create unnecessary stress. Cultivating the right mindset is equally important as selecting investments. Focusing on long-term objectives, celebrating small milestones, and trusting that your disciplined actions will compound over time helps you stay motivated and confident in your financial journey. The patience to let your investments grow, coupled with the discipline to continue contributing consistently, produces exponential results that feel almost effortless in hindsight. Over time, this approach builds a strong financial foundation, giving you freedom and flexibility to make life choices without being constrained by immediate financial pressure. By embracing patience, exercising discipline, and maintaining a long-term perspective, you allow the compounding process to work its magic, transforming small, regular contributions into a portfolio capable of providing genuine financial security and opportunity.